Manejando por la noche en mi troquita. Una vez.
Video, we're gonna be going out to what's it called, Colleen, and we're gonna do that. There's a truck show or whatever for the Justice of Vanessa, and so we're gonna be showing y'all the trucks that are there. It's not gonna be a lot. It's not gonna be a long video, but we're gonna be showing. Y'all ain't gonna see me. I'm just gonna be vlogging the trucks and stuff like that. I'm not gonna like show myself in like the last video we did. I'm not gonna be like that, but hopefully I'll get some content out of this, and I'll show you all the videos and stuff right now. Here it is.
Pues dicen on the gas, es una azul como la que tenía César. I'm pretty sure that's the one que tenía César, porque es same color y todo. Nomás tiene different wheels y le pusieron el video that one.
I know, so I'm done.
Get on the back one. Try to get that first.
Those were the videos of us, but we just got home, so I took a shower and everything. I was in the intro with this clothes on. I really don't know, but like I said, the videos from like not that long ago, so that was just a little content for y'all. You know, not that long of a video, but little content. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment, and thanks for all the support and saying that my videos are good. But you know how I make the montage? I want to be better. Like, you know, I'm new at this type of things. Like, I just told my dad, you know, I just want to make truck videos on YouTube. Because, like, this is my first YouTube channel. And I just wanted to start something new, you know. And I finally found something that I like doing. You know, and I'm trying to be a lot better. So, make sure to comment down below if, what's it called? If y'all want me to do anything like in the edits or the montage, like let me know if y'all want to add like glitches or like different music, or like what type of music I should put or anything. So I guess I'll see y'all. I'm gonna play the outro now, so see y'all tomorrow. Oh.
Manejando por la noche en mi troquita. Una vez.